All right, Sean here specifically talking about email list cleaning or email verification. So this is a done-for-you service that we're offering in our marketplace specifically for those of you, whether, look, you've got a small list from your Google contacts or iCloud contacts, somewhere else, people that you've met over the years, and you want to start sending emails consistently to them. And yet, if your list is, more than a couple of months old, or, you haven't sent to the list within the last couple of months, it's absolutely critical that you take the time to clean that list before you send a big email to the list. And just to review our email best practices, these are industry best practices. These are the numbers that we absolutely want to target to really get you in the inbox, right? Which, of course, we want a delivery rate above 30%. We want an open rate above 15%. Here's the important ones to avoid. A bounce rate, we want to be below 2% on that bounce rate. So bounce rate typically happens when it's an old email. It's an email from somebody who no longer is at that company, but you never got their new email, or they just don't check it anymore and it got full or whatever. And the other one to avoid here is the complaint rate. So that's the number of people who unsubscribe or click spam or whatever. So all of the email providers, Gmail, Yahoo, all of the, other miscellaneous providers out there, and like third-party software that is, protecting the company names.com and things like that, they are monitoring especially how many people mark your email as spam, or frankly, like how many of those emails are even good emails. If you try to send an email to Gmail and that address no longer exists, or it's old or whatever, this really can hurt your email deliverability in the future. And you don't want to damage your email reputation. When you want to invite people to an event, you want to, just send out a consistent, newsletter, mass email, anything like that. So we offer this done for you list cleaning service. And let me just show you a few examples of what we've done in the past. And what you'll get from us is you'll get a report like this, as well as we will actually just take the clean emails, the emails that pass the test, and we'll put them right back in and tag them for you inside of Attractzen. So you'll see here, emails passed, emails failed. Boy, this was good that this person didn't send to these 2,233 emails that failed. And then also the unknowns. The unknowns are ones that, at least at the beginning, you don't want to start sending to, because you want to be building up your email reputation with all of the major, email providers. A lot of those email addresses are ones where like literally the server will not verify if that email address exists until you try to send to it. Or it could be just a placeholder address and those kind of things. So we can process, we've got a minimum processing amount, obviously to, be worth our time to do that. And yet this is a great tool for those of you who, whether you want to send 100 at once or 1,000 at once, or we have people that want to send 100,000 emails at once, or on a drip mode inside of Attractzen. And they really want to make sure that they protect their email reputation. You can see here we've got another one. This was a total list of 11,000. And this is very typical that we find about 80% or so are actually valid emails that pass the test, that are going to allow you to, potentially get in the inbox. There's a lot of other factors there as well. And we've got different, services on that, on how to consistently get in the inbox. But this is really kind of like step one. You've got to have a clean, verified email list. Here you can see, again, we did 75,000. This was a really good list, 84% passed. And, we tag those appropriately in your system. So let us know if you have any questions. We offer this really as a true at cost service, just so you can really optimize your experience with Attractzen and get the most results out of it as possible. So go ahead and order somewhere around here, and we'll take care of the list for you. Thanks.